Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the unit, safety first. Once done, discharge capacitors and attach an ESD strap to avoid damage. You probe visible components with a multimeter to find shorts or open traces, then photograph the board for reference. Make sure to note connector orientations and part markings for replacements. If you identify a suspect component, isolate it by removing power traces. This gives you a focused place to start repairs without guessing. You now perform systematic diagnostics, measure voltages at key rails and compare to expected values, then use continuity checks to follow broken traces. Once located, decide whether to repair with a jumper or replace the component. For SMD parts, heat evenly and use flux. Make sure to reflow suspect solder joints and replace blown fuses or bulging capacitors with same specs. If a component is heat sensitive, work quickly and use preheating. This prevents collateral damage and improves reliability. You reassemble the board enough to restore critical connections, then power it using a current-limited supply to prevent further harm. Once powered, verify each voltage rail, watch for abnormal heating, and run the device through basic functional tests. Make sure to compare behavior to your photos and notes. This confirms orientation and connector seating. If it still fails, swap in a known good module or connector to isolate the problem. This single troubleshooting step often...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.